Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Antika Nilam Cahya. You can call me Antika NPN 224111210. I'm from the University of Technocrat Indonesia, majoring in S1 Management. Here I will explain one of the materials in the marketing strategy management course. Listen and watch the video careful. Strategy hierarchy. In a small company, strategy is only made at one level. In a large company, strategy is usually carried out at three levels or hierarchies, namely 1. The company level, 2. The business level, and 3. The function level. Strategy is a term that we often hear for various contexts of a decision, which is often interpreted as a way to achieve certain desires or solve problem in society, from chess players, athletes, teacher, company leaders to bureaucrats talking using the term strategy. Likewise, in organization, from the level of implementers in organization, implementers to top leaders using the term strategy. However, if you look closely, it turns out that the strategies disease have a different level. In a broad sense, strategy can be broken down from the corporate level to the level of activity implements, but for long-term planning purpose in general organization, only corporate strategy, business strategy, and functional strategy are known. 1. Corporate strategy or corporate strategy. At this level, a strategy describes general guidelines or general attitudes in dealing with corporate development plans and management of various business branches from various types of products, and to achieve a balance between the various types of business. The business that the organization is engaged in may all be aimed at pursuing profit oriented on, or may all be aimed at social activities, non-profit, social oriented, or combination of both. Namely, an organization has several businesses that are profit oriented and several businesses that are non-profit oriented social. Corporate strategy also concerns decision partner related to various types of business in which the company leader must participate. Financial flows and other resources to and from as a business center. The relationship between the company and key group in the company's environment. Corporate strategy will produce the following formulation: A. Role so the purpose of establishing the organization, but the parent organization and its subsidiaries. B. Business scope. That the scope of business or field of activity that the parent organization may or must enter. C. Business mix. Explain the portfolio of business unit to be achieved at the end of the planning period. D. Organization. The basic design of the activity, mechanism, organization, structure, finance, and other, which show the pattern of coordinating the unit owned by the parent organization. 2. Business strategy. Business strategy, or sometimes also called competitive strategy, is developed at the division level, which can be considered as a strategy business unit. SBU strategy at this level in generally focus on improving the competitive position, namely the company's ability to compete in the types of product or service product by a particular of product or service product division or SBU in a particular market segment. Business strategy must be integrated with the supportive of a higher strategy, namely corporate strategy. According to Hoover, the main purpose of conducting a business strategy analysis is to identify opportunities and threats that will be faced by the business or SBU in the future, and to explore the capabilities of resource and skill owned by the organization SBU that can be used to handle opportunities and threats, and so that the goals of the organization SBU can be achieved. Business strategy focus on how to compete in a particular industry, product, or market. Meanwhile, according to business strategy in general, it is designed to place the business in a desired positions in a particular industry, so that at the end of the planning period, the expected goals profit level can be achieved. Business strategy will help from certain advantages compared to competitors. Business strategy will produce the following formulation. 1. How to position yourself against competitors. X as a leader of followers. 2. Determination of target of achievement criteria that must be pursued by SBU activity unit subsidiary organization at the end of the planning period. 3. How to compete to avoid consumer resource profit or desired position. 4. How to function of the subsidiary organization will be coordinated, and the support expected from each function. 3. Functional strategy. Strategy at this level generally focus on maximizing the productivity of the company's resource within the limits of the corporate strategy and business strategy that have been determined. The operational function optimizes the performance of the resource enters to them. The principal focus of functional strategy is on maximizing resource productivity. So the main focus of formulating a functional strategy is to maximize the productivity of the resource owned by setting goals and functional action plan that can direct people activity and behavior so that they can support the achievement of a larger strategy. Functional strategy are made by function in the organization, mission, marketing, finance, organization, administrative, personnel. That's all from the explanation of one of the material that I have explained. I apologize if there are any wrong words or action in the video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.